Welcome to this tutorial on how to add the volume-weighted average price, or VWAP, to your ThinkOrSwim platform. VWAP is an essential tool for traders as it helps identify the average price a security has traded throughout the day weighted by volume. This can provide valuable insights into price trends. Let's get started. First, launch your ThinkOrSwim platform and open the chart for the security you want to analyze. Make sure you are in the charting area, which you can find under the Charts tab. Once your chart is open, navigate to the top of the chart and look for the Studies button. Click on it to open the drop-down menu where you will find the Add Study option. In the search box that appears, type VWAP. You should see the volume-weighted average price indicator listed. Click on it and then press the Add Selected button. After you've added VWAP, you can customize its appearance by clicking on the gear icon next to it. This will allow you to change settings such as color and line style to suit your preferences. Finally, once you have customized VWAP, click OK to apply the changes to your chart. You should now see the VWAP line plotted on your chart, which can help you with your trading decisions. Remember to practice interpreting the VWAP trend in conjunction with other indicators for better trading strategies. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.